Alpesh, my NVIDIA's gone through the roof. What should I do? Let's have a detailed look at it. And of course, it has gone through the roof, but it's not just actually been since, say, even 2025, since when it's only risen about 64%. In actual fact, the reason people are really feeling it is because in the past year it's gone up 152%. And of course, yesterday it had profits which jumped up. Sorry, revenues, which jumped up 85%. So the issue is, which direction might it travel in now? Well, we know what the broad direction of travel is even before AI became a thing. So for all of those people saying, well, AI bubble, blah, 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 this has been in one simple direction since 2015, if not sooner. So what's its normal angle of growth? Well, I could just project that forward if I was keeping it really simple and say my base case is we should get another 67% in a year. Well, what are the downsides to that? The downsides are, well, let's just look at a bit of history. 37% should be by the dip time. Worst case scenario, we've had a 67% drop in the past. If in doubt, leave it out. If it's become more than 10% of your portfolio and you're risk averse, you might balance back to it being just 5% of your portfolio. If you're more risk loving, you'd leave it at 10, 15, maybe even 20%. Warren Buffett has over 20% of his portfolio in just Apple alone. So that, in broad terms, tells you what to do with it from an investment perspective. You get into trouble when you're trying to trade and when you leverage. Don't do either of those things. That would be a stupid thing to do.